The determinant of a matrix provides a lot of information, and it is denoted by det of A or A with the bars. So to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you want to take the two diagonals and multiply them, so A times D and B times C, and then subtract the answers. So the directions say find the determinant of the matrix by hand. So we would take 3 times 6 and subtract 2 times 1, and that's equal to 16. So 16 is the determinant of this matrix. Number 2, we're going to take negative 2 times negative 2 and subtract 1 times 3, and that will give you 1. On question 3, we're going to take 6 times 3 and subtract negative 3 times 2. And that will be 24.